In this video, I'll guide you through how to track accounts receivable in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly see who owes you money, for how much, and over what time period. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along in your own Xero file as you listen. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your Xero account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. This is your home base where you can see a snapshot of your business, but to track accounts receivable in more detail, we'll head into the reporting area. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and click on reporting. This is where Xero stores all of its financial reports, including the ones that deal with invoices and money owed to you. If you're managing your receivables regularly, this section will become very familiar. After you click reporting, you'll see some featured or commonly used reports. To see the full list, click on all reports. This opens a broader library of reports that you can search and filter. Because we're focused on accounts receivable, we're going to use the search function to quickly find the right one. In the search bar within the all reports page, type the word receivable. Xero will filter the list and show you any reports related to receivables. From the results, look for the report called Receivable Invoice Summary or Quote Summary, and then click on it. This report is designed to show you the breakdown of your outstanding customer invoices and related quotes, which is exactly what you need when tracking accounts receivable. Once the report opens, you'll see options to customize it before you run it. This step is important because it lets you control what information you're looking at. Start by selecting your date range, choose the period you want to review, such as this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom date range. Your choice should match the time frame you're analyzing for your cash flow or reporting needs. Next, adjust the other settings available, such as the date search criteria, the columns, and the grouping or summarizing options. For example, you might choose to group by contact or customer so you can see how much each one owes you. You can also choose which columns to display, such as invoice number, due date, and amount due. Taking a moment to set these options now will make the report much easier to read and use later. When you're happy with your selections, click the update button. Xero will refresh the report based on the date range and settings you've chosen. Review the results carefully to see your outstanding invoices, who they relate to, and how much is due. If this layout works well for you and you expect to use it again, you have two handy options. Once you're done reviewing the report, you can either save it or export it. Use the Save As option to save your customized version inside Xero so you can quickly run the same report in the future without redoing the settings. Or choose Export if you'd like to download it, typically as a PDF or spreadsheet, for sharing with your team, attaching to an email, or keeping for your records. That's all you need to track accounts receivable in Xero using the Receivable Invoice Summary report. With these steps, you can stay on top of who owes you money and make more informed decisions about your cash flow.